Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. So today's video we are going to do an eyebrow tutorial. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get into it. Using a toothbrush, I'm going to comb my eyebrows. And then I'll be using a saw to line the eyebrows. It's a bar soap, as you can all see. So we do the same on this other eyebrow, and then we are going to line our brows using David's number 3 pencil, starting from the lower side of your brows. We do the same on this other side. So after lining the lower side, we go to the upper side, and when it comes to the upper side, we don't start from here. We'll start from around here to line our eyebrow. So after lining our eyebrows, we'll draw hair-like structures here using a sharp pencil if you don't have hairs here, and then when it comes to this part, you'll fill in where you feel that there is no hair. You'll fill in. The next step will be concealing our eyebrows with the Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. We'll use this to conceal our eyebrows and this. And so when it comes to concealing my eyebrows, I don't start from here. I'll start from a point like this to avoid having too much products here, which may lead to having a very sharp line here. So I'll start from here. And then the remaining product, I'll use it here. And so with the upper side of our eyebrows, we'll use the foundation, which is not as bright as the concealer. So after that, we'll proceed and blend in the concealer and the foundation using a Dam Beauty Blender, or you can as well use your finger. You just tap in. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.